There we go, the flow. Go with the flow. Alright, starting with a nice berm in the trees here, and then it violently throws you onto another course, so you have to do a hard right with no berm and this bump. Oh, it hasn't taken my feet off the pedals this time. Couple of jumps here, too big to gap. Any cars? No cars. Across the road, G's all good behind, and this is where the real fun begins. Right, it's rocky. Start off with a small jump here. Oh, and another one. Oh, into a berm that you're not lined up for. Oh, gosh. To a step up that you just cannot gap at that speed. Gosh, he's on. Terrible neck. Couple of rollers. Feet are being thrown off the pedals at every opportunity, not jumping out. Remember, I can't jump. Tabletop. Okay, I can jump a little bit. Small jump. Small jump. Small jump. Small roller. Oh, look at this thing. Shit. Can't gap that. Not at my age. No tabletop. Nope. Where are my jumping skills? Nowhere to be seen. My knee pads come off. Shit. I have to stop here. You will die if you do that at speed. And a chicken run. Across the road. Okay, I'm gonna go behind you now. How's this chick, eh? Let's go, she says. Into the trees. Wait for the camera to expose because there's a big bump here. Oh, well handled. Better than me. Oh, these berms. I find it better to not use my brakes here. Oh, overtake.